Hello children, how are you all? I hope everyone are fine. So already I have completed English one, that is poem and lessons for you. So today I am going to do for you English grammar. So already completed two lessons in your English grammar textbook. So from textbook today I am going to do for you. That is the lesson name is naming words. What is the lesson name today I am doing for you? Naming words. That is for first standard. Okay children. So that move on to your page number 9. So in the previous class, which lesson I have done for you children? Which lesson? Sentence. So in the previous class, what did we learn? A sentence is a group of words that make complete sense. Sentence always start with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. So already we have completed that, and today I told you that I am going to start for you the naming words. So what are naming words children? Can anyone from the class tell me what are naming words? So can you see here on the board? Can you see? So the naming words are called as nouns. What are naming words? So it is known as nouns. What are nouns? So what is naming word? Any name of person, place, animal, bird or thing. It is a name of person. So here we have living and non-living thing both. So here we have in the nouns we have living and non-living things both. For example, see here I told naming words are called as nouns. Nouns what? Naming words are known as nouns. So what is a noun? First you should know what is a noun. So noun is a name of person, place, animals, birds and things. So I told you, so things are what? Are non-living things. So here person is a living thing. So here animals are also a living thing, birds are also living things. So here we have both, that is what? Living and non-living thing. So first you should know what is noun. Noun is the name of, so it is the name. So noun is the name of person, place. Person, name any one person in your class. So can anyone in the class tell me? So any name you can tell. Sita, Geeta, Sonu, Monu. So all the name of the person. So place. Which are the place? Where do you stay children? In which city do you stay? We stay in Bengaluru. Where do you stay? We stay in Bengaluru. So that is the place. What person? Already I have told you. Name any name of the person. Any name of the person I am telling you. That is human beings. Okay. Next we have place. Place means any place, any cities you can tell. So you are staying where? Maybe you are staying in Kaveri Nagar, you are staying in Rajaji Nagar, you are staying in JC Nagar, you are staying in Basvesh Nagar. So that is also what a noun. That is also what noun. Noun is the name of person, place. So back you are staying in which city? You are staying in which city? You are staying in Bengaluru. So that is the city. That is the name of the place. That is the name of the place. So for example, you are staying in Kaveri Nagar, you are staying in JC Nagar. So that is the name of the place. So that is also noun. That is also noun. Next, animals. So any animals, dog, cat. I hope so everyone have dogs in your home, or cats also. So any animals means lion, tiger, elephant, wild animals also include domestic animals and wild animals. Domestic animals and wild animals. Domestic animals where do you keep? In your home, and wild animals are kept there in forest or in zoos. Okay, so these are animals. Noun is the name of person, place, animals, birds. So any bird you can tell the name of the bird. So here peacock, parrot, cock, crow. So all are what? Birds. All are what? Birds. And things. Things means anything. So I am using a stick here. So what? This is a thing. This is a non-living thing. So what is this? This is a thing. So it is a noun. What is this? It is a noun. So I have a duster here. So it is a thing. So it is a noun. So this is the board, blackboard. This is the blackboard. So what it is? It is also a thing. It is also a thing. It is also a noun. What? It is also a noun. Okay children? So I told you noun is the name of a person, place, animal, birds and things. Animal, birds and things. So this is the desk. So you can see desk in your school. Okay. So you are using what? Laptop. You are using mobiles and all. Those are also things. What thing? When I ask any example, for example, so now you know. Noun is the name of person, place, animal, birds or thing. So when I ask give name of the animals. When I ask you to write, write the name of the things. Now, that is the thing. So what you will write? Naming words. You should write the name of the things. Any things you write. Chocolate is also a noun. Chocolate, you are eating chocolate. So chocolate is also a noun. Okay. Mobiles are the noun. Laptops. So any desk, any pencil, eraser also are things. So that is known as noun. So it is a naming word. Noun is a naming word. So I say naming words are called as noun. Any name of the person, place, animal or thing is a noun. Is a naming word. Understood, children? Any doubts? Okay. Through examples I am going to explain for you. This page number 9. See here. Name of person. So name of persons here. So this is a boy. This is a girl. Here is a policeman. Teacher. So these are our name of the. Say I am a teacher for you. I am a teacher. So you should. So I am a noun. No children. I am a noun. No. I am a person. So I am a person there. So I am a teacher. So it is a naming word. Name of person. Name of person. Next you have name of animal. So I am going to see. You can see a dog, rabbit, camel, horse. So it is a naming word. Name of animals. Name of animals. Okay. Next name of birds. So I am going to visit parrot, owl, peacock, pigeon. So these are what naming words of names of what? Birds. Names of birds. Next you have names of things. So you have flower, bat, chair, clock. So these are all what? Things. So you know all these things it will be surrounding you only. So all these are things that are naming words. Naming words are what? Name of person, place, animal, birds or thing. So I hope so you have understood clearly now children. Do you have any doubts? No, because it is very easy to understand. So next page number, that is 10. So you have name of places. So school is also a place for you. School, it is also a noun. So here hospital, post office, library. Hospital, post office, library. So this is also a naming word. So here next we have shop, garden, school. So I told you example of school. School is also a name of what? Place. School is also name of place. So it is a noun, naming word. So here classroom, beach, temple, all these are what? Names of places. Names of places. That is naming words. That is names of places. Naming words. Okay children? So these are what? So here we have learned today about the noun. That is the person, place, animal, birds or thing. Next I am going to do the exercises for you. It is very easy. See, look at the picture given below. Write their names. So you should write their name. So this is the elephant. So elephant, you have to write elephant. Next it is a watch. Watch. What you tie to your hand. It is a watch. Which will be on the that is on the wall. It is a clock. So this is a watch. Next you have parrot, kite, girl, bicycle. So these are what? Elephant is the name of animal. Watch is the name of thing. Here parrot is the name of bird. Kite is the name of thing. Girl is the name of person. Bicycle is the name of thing. Understood children? So it is very easy. When you see this video continuously, you will be able to understand. Don't miss this lesson. Okay. The name of people are noun. Pick the name of people. So here they have given jumbled. All the name of person are there, places there, things are there. So everything is jumbled. You have to underline only the what name of people. Naming word of what? Only the person. Only the person you have to tick. So here first one, moon, Sandeep, book. So which is the name of person here? Sandeep. You have to tick Sandeep. You have to tick it. Next in the next row, Kanika, pot, Rahul. You have to tick it for Kanika and Rahul. Next you have from the third row, grass. That is door and Deepa. Deepa, you have to tick for Deepa because they have asked only for the names of people, only name of people. Next move on to the page number 12. Next move on to the page number 12. Next they have asked you the name of places, that is the names of places. So you have to tick only the names of places here. So here temple. The third row, they have given cat, park, pencil. You have to tick only for what? Park. So it is the name of the place. Next, that is the D main. The name of things are noun. Now you have to underline only the things. That I told you what are the things. The things you have to underline. So here table, uncle, father. You have to underline. Tick it out for table. Next you have rat, pen, ball. You have to tick for pen and ball. Next Priya, comb, television. Priya, comb and television. So you have to tick only for comb and television. Next, read the noun given below. Write them in a suitable column. So they have given 4 columns for you. So all they have jumbled. So you have to segregate it. Means you have to separate it and write in the columns of person, places, things and animals. One or two I will be doing and others try to do yourself. The first one is barber. They have given no. Barber is a person. In the place you can write church. Things you can write table, animals you can write tiger. So all they have given jumbled. Please separate them and write in the columns of what they have given. Okay children? So I have completed the lesson for you. I hope so you have understood. So already almost I have completed the exercises also. Please watch this video carefully and read the lesson. Read the lesson and underline the words, difficult words. So I will be sending the